This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Surf. First, launch the Roblox application on your computer or mobile device. Once the application is open, navigate to the search bar, typically located at the top of the screen. Type Surf into the search bar and press Enter to view available games. From the search results, choose a popular surf game to begin your experience. Once you've joined a surf game, understanding the basic controls is crucial. On a personal computer, use the W, A, S, D keys to control your character's movement. If you're playing on a mobile device, utilize the on-screen joystick for navigation. Your primary objective is to stay on the designated surf ramp, avoiding the water below or falling off the map entirely. Keep your momentum going by moving smoothly with the ramp's flow. To truly excel at Roblox Surf, you'll want to master some advanced techniques. Air strafing is key. While airborne, subtly move your mouse or camera to adjust your character's direction and land precisely. Another useful trick is pre-strafing, where you turn slightly just before a jump to build up extra speed. Also, strategically use the very edges of the ramps. This can give you a significant boost in height, allowing for much longer and more impressive jumps. Even experienced players can make mistakes, so let's discuss how to avoid common pitfalls. A frequent error is overcorrecting your movements. Small, precise adjustments are far more effective than drastic turns, which often lead to losing control. Also, resist the urge to jump too often. Unnecessary jumps can disrupt your flow, causing you to lose momentum and fall. Consistent practice is the single best way to develop the necessary muscle memory and perfect your timing for smooth surfing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.